Good morning, dear children. Welcome to today's session of online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Children, we are going to start the new chapter of your accountancy. The name of the chapter is Financial Statements of Not-for-Profit Organization. This is from your Volume 1 textbook of accountancy. Let us go in detail with this chapter and know more about not-for-profit organization and its accounting procedures. Let us see the meaning and concept of not-for-profit organization first. Not-for-profit organization, which is also known as non-profit organization, are set up with the objective to further cultural, educational, health, religious, public services to public and or members, etc., not with the purpose of earning profit. So children, what does this mean? Non-profit organization is an organization whose objective is not to earn profit, but it is providing certain services to the public or to its members. So the main purpose of such an organization to set up is to serve the public or its members. So it may be in the form of further cultural, educational, health or religious concept. So through that concept, it is serving the public or its members. Some of the examples of such organizations are schools, college, public hospitals, literary societies, societies for promotion of sports, arts and culture, and social welfare organization or clubs, etc. are some of the examples of such an organization. Do you know, students? Funds received for the activities of a not-for-profit organization are normally contributed by its members or trustees. Funds received by a not-for-profit organization may be of the following form. Number 1, donation. Second one, membership fee or entrance fee. Third one is subscription. Fourth one is loan. Fifth one is grants, maybe from government or any institutions. Students, now let us see the characteristics or features of not-for-profit organization. The first characteristic is entity. Not-for-profit organization has the legal entity which is separate from its promoters. Second one is purpose. As we discussed earlier, the main purpose of such an organization is to further cultural, educational, religious and rendering service to the people at large. The third point related to characteristic is ownership. A not-for-profit organization is not owned by an individual or a group of individuals. It is set up as charitable society or trust. It actually belongs to the society. The fourth characteristic is profit. It does not function for earning profit, but it does not mean that it cannot earn profit. If an not-profit organization is earning any profit through its activity, it is termed as surplus. Surplus is used for the objective for which it is set up and it is not distributed to its members. So that point you have to remember thoroughly, that profit is not distributed among the members. Fifth point is management. It is managed by group of individuals who are often called as trustees or managing committee. Sixth point is funds. Funds for the operation of non-profit organization are given by its members and donors as entrance fees, membership fees, subscription and donations. Seventh point is financial statement. Financial statement of non-profit organization includes receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and the balance sheet. Students, you all know about the profit earning organization or business firm from your last year business study class. Let us see what is the main difference between non-profit organization and profit-making organization. The first basis for that purpose is purpose for setup. Non-profit organizations have been set up with a purpose to further cultural, educational, religious, professional or public services. But a business firm, the main purpose behind their setup is to earn the profit. Second point of difference between is source of fund. Non-profit organization, they raise their fund by way of membership fee, subscription, donation and surplus from operation. In the balance sheet, it is shown as general fund or capital fund or corpus fund. So children, this is how the non-profit organization making use of this source of funds, they fulfill the purpose for which they are set up. But a business firm, they raise their fund as capital which is brought by the proprietor or a partner in case of partnership firm, or it may be in the form of share capital or a borrowed fund. Profits not distributed to the partners and shareholders are shown as reserves. Now the third point is financial statement. As we saw in the earlier slide, financial statement of non-for-profit organization consists of preparation of receipts and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. But in business firm, financial statement preparation consists of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Fourth point of difference between is surplus or profit. Balance of income and expenditure account is either surplus or profit in case of non-profit organization. But in case of business firm, it is net profit or net loss. Fifth point is distribution of surplus or profit. In non-profit organization, profits is not distributed among its members. But in business firm, as their main purpose is making of profit, it is distributed among the members of the business firm. So these are the 5 points of difference between non-profit organization and business firm. Students, now it is time to wind up today's session. I hope you have understood today's class. Now you know what is non-profit organization and what is the difference between business firm and non-profit organization. Meet you in the next class with a new concept. Till then, goodbye.